In this video, we are going to show you how to change the default USB configuration on your Android devices. Open Settings on your Android device. Navigate to About Phone. Now navigate to Build Number and tap on it 7 times to enable developer mode. Once developer mode is enabled, navigate back to the Settings main menu. Now tap on System. Tap on Developer Options. Scroll down to the Network section. Tap on Default USB Configuration. For transferring files or folders to your computer, select File Transfer Mode. For transferring photos or videos, select the PTP mode. To use it with a MIDI device, select the MIDI mode. For use of network data of the phone with your computer, select the USB tethering mode. Select whichever mode is suitable for you. Once selected, navigate back to the home screen. Connect a USB cable to your phone, and look for the pop-up or action that appears. Simple, isn't it? For more tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.